be a good speaker. Okay, so see, some people are good speakers. Okay, some are shy, some speaks easily with friends and relatives. You are also, see students, you are also speak or talk with your friends or your relatives. Relatives means your parents, your grandparents, okay, their neighbors. Okay, you just talk with them very friendly. Okay, so easily you can talk your friends, your relative, parents. Okay, but in front of the audience, okay, in front of the audience means the people who are sitting in front of you. Okay, so if you are take part in any function, okay, if you are take a part in speech, okay, so at that time what happen, so many students sit in front of you, sit in front of you to watch you, okay, to listen you. Okay, so that is audience. Okay, so see here, what, when you speak with your friends and relatives, okay, at that time you just talk with them, you speak with them without nervousness, any nervousness, okay, with the confidence you just talk with them. But in front of the big audience, you just fear sometimes, okay, you feel nervous. Okay, so at that time you feel less confidence. Okay, that's why you just fear and you get nervous. Okay, so in front of the big audience, okay, you just feel nervous. Okay, you cannot talk easily, you cannot talk smoothly, okay, softly, or with the confidence in front of the audience. Okay, so some students from you can face this problem, and some students cannot face. Okay, those students who are facing the problem of the nervousness in front of the big audience, okay, they have less confidence. Okay, they have less confidence, that's why they just nervous in front of the audience. Okay, but those students, those people who do not yes, they just do not nervous in front of the big audience. Okay, means they have confidence, that's why they do not get nervous in front of the audience. Okay, so see how to be a good speaker. Okay, it is very important to able to speak. Okay, and to be able to speak well, and if you make up your mind, it is not very difficult to do so. Okay, you have to tell yourself that you can do it. Okay, you have to create your own confidence. Okay, so that you can yes, you have to tell your mind. Okay, you have to tell your mind that you can do anything. Okay, you have to confident yourself, you have to give confidence yourself. Okay, so see, there are some points. Okay, there are a few things when you speak. Okay, so see, first point is speak clearly. There are some points, there are some few things when you speak. So first one is speak clearly, don't mumble. So mumble means what? Yes, the mumble means to speak unclear. Okay, to speak unclearly and quietly so that the words are difficult to understand. Means mumble means to speak unclear. Okay, so don't speak unclear. Okay, speak clearly, don't mumble. So what is the mumble? Mumble means to speak unclearly. Okay, while speaking you should speak very clearly. Okay, not unclearly. Now see next one, look at the person or persons when you talk to them. Okay, so if you are talking to the person, if you are talking in the group, or if the both person is discussing, so at that time you have to eye contact. Okay, you have to eye contact with the person. Look at the person. Okay, when you talk to the person. Okay, you should look at you should look to the person when you are talking with them. Okay, now see next one. When you talk with the other, okay, when you are talking, when you are speaking, at that time your voice, see, your voice should not loud, should not it's should not be loud and should not fast, and it should not slow. Okay, and it should not too soft. Getting, when you are talking with the person, when you are talking with another person, at that time you should not be too loud, too soft, too fast, or too slow. Okay, you should speak in proper manner. Okay, now see, while speaking with the other, you should be polite and be pleasant. Pleasant means what? Friendly. See, pleasant means friendly. Okay, when you are talking with the person, you should polite and pleasant. Okay, now see, polite means respectfully. Okay, be polite and be pleasant. Pleasant means friendly. Okay, so see, by with here is a typing mistake. Pleasant means friendly. Friendly. Okay, now see next one. Give a thought to the other person feeling and interest. If you are talking in a group with the other person, so you should give the respect. You should give the respect of others feeling. You should give the respect of the others thought and others interest. Okay, so these are the few things you have to remember when you speak. Okay, so first one, speak clearly, don't speak unclearly. Look at the person when you are talking to the person. Okay, then do not your voice should be your voice should not be too loud, too soft, too fast, or too slow. And you should talk with the polite and be pleasant. Okay, and give a respect. Okay, give a thought to the others person feelings and interest. Okay, so now next thing, when you take part in a discussion. Okay, when you take part in a discussion, at that time how to speak. Okay, how to be a good speaker. So there are some points. See, first one, that don't keep talking all the time, let's others speak. Okay, so when you are talking, okay, at that time you only don't talk. Okay, the person with whom you are talking, okay, give that person also time. Okay, let them speak, let the person speak. You don't talk all the time, let the person speak. That is also the quality. Okay, when you're taking part in the discussion. Okay, so see next one, show interest in what the others say and listen carefully. Okay, when you are discussing with the persons, at that time show your interest in his speaking, what the other person is saying. Okay, and what the person is saying, please listen carefully. Okay, what the person is saying. Okay, show your interest and listen carefully. That is also important. Okay, now see next one, when you agree with the others or like their ideas, do not do tell them that. Okay, while speaking, while discussing, okay, at that time if you are agree with others or like their ideas, okay, at that time immediately tell them. Okay, you just agree with them. Okay, you like this idea, you agree with them. Okay, tell them immediately about that. Okay, now see next one, do not share your thought and idea with others. Okay, do share your ideas, your thought with others. Okay, while speaking with someone, okay, you please share your ideas and your thoughts with the other person. Okay, if you do not understand something, okay, if you do not understand something, then at that time you should ask. Okay, you should ask for the explanation politely. Okay, so how to ask? because you are just speaking, you are just doing discussion. So how the ask? Yes, for the asking you should use the polite word. Okay, you should use polite expressions like excuse me please. Okay, I have a doubt. Okay, excuse me, give me 1 minute, please, can you give me 1 minute? So you can raise your hand also. Okay, so by using this word, by using these expressions, okay, if you are facing any problem, okay, in understanding, okay, if you have to interrupt someone, okay, interrupt means what? If you have to say something in middle while speaking. Okay, now see, I'm taking your lecture, and if you are facing any problem, then you are raising your hand, you are just putting the message in the chat box like that. Okay, but at that time, what when you are doing the discussion, at that time you have to use the polite word like sorry, excuse me, okay, give me a chance to speak, like that word you have to use. Can I talk? Okay, you should ask them in the polite manner with these expressions. Okay, if you have to interrupt, if you have to talk in middle. Okay, otherwise if you are disagree with the person, okay, and when you seek the explanation, okay, so seek means what? To try to find or get something. Okay, if you found something okay, something different, okay, so you can just use polite words and polite expressions uh, for interrupting the person. Getting? So these are all the point you have to remember when you take part in the discussion. So what is the first point? Don't keep talking all the time, let others speak. Then show interest in what the person saying and listen it carefully. Now third one, when you agree with the other or like their ideas, then do tell them that. Okay, tell them about that you like it. Okay, now next one, do share your own thought and ideas with others. Okay, if you do not understand something, then ask for the explanation, but how? Just politely. Okay, and use polite words and expressions when you want to interrupt someone, when you disagree with someone, okay, or when you seek explanation and give them. Getting? Now next one, when you are taking the part in this speech, okay, when you want to give a speech, at that time which point you should remember? So first point is plan your speech in advance. Okay, so see, if you are taking part in this speech in the school, okay, or out of the school, at that time some points are there which you should remember. Okay, first plan your speech in advance. Okay, so whatever you are talking, whatever you are speaking, you should plan it in advance. Advance means before only you should plan it. Okay, note the point and arrange them properly. Whatever you are going to talk, okay, all those points you should arrange them properly, means sequence wise you should arrange them, means I will start with this, okay, I will, after that I will tell them, I will tell this, okay, after that I will give this example, okay, after that I will end, like that. So you should keep all the points in your mind, okay, and you should not you and you should arrange this point properly. Okay, now next one is rehearse the speech in your mind and go ahead. See students, sometimes when you take part in the dance competition, at that time means without any practice, you do not go on the stage. Okay, you can't go on the stage. With the practice, with the proper rehearsals, you go on stage and you show your performance. Like that also here, rehearse the speech in your mind. Whatever you are going to talk, whatever you are going to speak, okay, you should practice it. Rehearse means what? To practice something in order. Okay, means rehearse means to practice something for the public performance. Okay, so see, if you are going to talk or speak anything, okay, means speech. So you should rehearse it in your mind and go ahead. Okay, so these are very important points, that plan your speech in advance. Okay, then note the points and arrange them properly, then rehearse the speech in your mind and go ahead. So these all are the very important points for become a good speaker. Okay, so you should remember these all things for a good speaker, for become a good speaker. Okay, so